Have you ever wondered how your heart keeps you alive every second? In this short journey, we'll explore the human heart's intricate structure. The aorta is like a busy highway, transporting oxygenated blood. The left atrium acts as a welcoming chamber for fresh blood. Next is the left ventricle, pumping with powerhouse strength. On the right side, the right atrium collects returning oxygen-poor blood. Then, the right ventricle pushes it towards the lungs for oxygenation. Finally, tiny valves keep everything flowing in perfect harmony. Like what you see? Subscribe for more incredible insights.